Welcome to this video on setting your personal voicemail message in Microsoft Teams calling at the New Brunswick Community College. And so the first thing you're going to do is log into the Microsoft Teams application. And then you're going to go under the Settings and More option here, which is just the three little dots beside your avatar in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. And then you're going to select the first option here, which is titled Settings. And once the settings window opens up here, you're going to scroll down to the very last option here, which is titled Calls. Once the Calls page opens up here, the second section is titled Voicemail. And so you're just going to press the Configure Voicemail button here. And so once you press that button, under the voicemail section here, there's going to be an option to record a greeting. And so you're just going to press the Record a Greeting button. And then when the voicemail prompt shows up on your screen, what you're going to do is you're first going to press 2 from the menu pad here. So you're going to press 2 to go on and set your voicemail, and then to record your voicemail, you're just going to follow the prompt on the audio, and you're just going to press the 1 to record your voicemail message. And then after you're done, anytime anybody calls you in Microsoft Teams calling and you don't answer, it'll go straight to your personal voicemail message that you set here, and folks will be able to leave their voicemail. So this concludes the tutorial on setting your personal voicemail message in Microsoft Teams calling at the New Brunswick Community College.